So this is Manjaro Linux, and the latest version is 25.0. I'm going to be installing this in the desktop computer. So these are some of the options to download. I'm going to be installing KDE Plasma. I'm going to be booting up from the USB drive. Okay, so this is the welcome page. As documentation, support, project. I'll open the installer. Okay, so this is language. This is location. I'm going to leave it as is. This is the keyboard layout and settings. This is the partitions section. So I'm going to erase the entire disk. I'm going to say swap the file. I'm going to leave it at Btrfs. I'll input a username. I'll select this, use the same password for the administrator account. So I have to choose an office suite. I'm going to select LibreOffice. So this is a summary of all the choices and selections. So I'm going to click done. I'm going to restart the computer. This is the login screen. I'm going to log in. So I'll right click the desktop, select desktop on wallpaper. And these are some of the wallpapers. I'll click on the application launcher. So this is favorites. This is all applications. This is development, education. This is graphics. This is internet, multimedia, office. This is system. This is utilities. So I'll right click the panel. I'll select add and manage widgets. So you can choose any widget here. You can also search for widgets here, and you can also select the get new button. I'm going to select show panel configuration, and this is the panel settings. This is the position, the alignment, width, visibility, opacity, and style. I'll select position, so you can move around the panel on any side of the screen. I'll move it here to the left side. I'll move the panel to the right. I'm going to leave it at the bottom. So I'm going to change the theme. I want it on a darker theme. So this is the Brett dark theme. This is the Breeze dark theme. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this. So I'll open the Dolphin file manager. This is system settings, and they are listed by categories, input and output, connected devices, networking, appearance and style, apps and windows. workspace, security and privacy, language and time, system. I'll open Firefox web browser. So I'm going to check what version of Firefox this is. So the version is 137.0. So on the lower right side, this is the time and date, the status and notification. This is the network icon. There's volume icon. So I'm going to open the console app. I'm going to run an update. I'll type sudo pacman syu. So it's up to date. So I'm going to check if VLC media is installed. I'll type VLC. So VLC media is installed. So I'm going to check if GIMP is installed. I'll type GIMP. So GIMP is not installed. So I'll install GIMP. I'll type sudo pacman s GIMP. And I'll open GIMP. So GIMP was installed. So this is a software app, and there's browse, there's installed. This is updates. On the left side, there's categories. And here you can download any one of these apps. There's groups. Here's repositories. So you can change your location mirror here. So I'll open the application utility. So here you can also install and remove software apps. So I'm going to enable the cube feature. I'm going to open system settings. So I'm going to scroll down, and under apps and Windows, I'm going to select Windows management. I'll select virtual desktops. So right now there are 2 virtual desktops. I'm going to add 4 more. So now there are 6. I'll select desktop effects. And I'm going to scroll all the way down until I see Windows management. And under Windows management, I'm going to select cube, click apply. So to demonstrate the cube feature on the keyboard, I'm going to hold the super key and the C key. And this is the cube feature. So this was just a quick overview of Manjaro 25.0. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.